Hello YouTube here, it's Lisa Stade of the YouTube channels of Lisa Stade and Hitler Obsessed. I apologize for those last two videos. My laptop did cut me off again. But I'm here to start with part 8 of the YouTube series of more like a lecture series, I guess, about the life and death of Adolf Hitler. So what I started off on was Hitler was on the streets. Yet again, I remember that a lot of terms have changed. I guess you can't call him a vagrant anymore, or bum, or whatever. But some historians do think that the reason why Hitler was doing that was because he was trying to avoid the military conscription, because all men in Austria had to go through, I guess in America we call it the draft, so that's pretty much what it is in, Austria. But they had to do their military service, and definitely if they were a man back then, you would probably go through the draft. So Hitler was around that age where he would have to go into his military service as a guy, And so he was trying to avoid, from what some historians view as the military service. He tried actually getting into Munich, and he actually got into Munich, and that's why he brought up the apartment he was living at by some owners called, I think, Pop. If I'm pronouncing that correct, Pop, that was the name of the landlords of the building in Munich. Now, the district he lived in was the district that was famous for having artists, so it's like the Bohemia. It was what the Bohemians were, the artists, the avant-garde impressionists or whatever. I mean, he literally had the same block he lived at. There was Hitler's room that he was staying in, renting out.